First, open the file that you want to edit. And then click the layers and convert to smart object, because smart object is non-destructive. And then copy the layer by press Ctrl G, and then use black and white, and in the black and white preset you can use high contrast blue filter, and then arrange the blend mode to divide, and then use Gaussian blur I think the setting is okay, and then give a little bit noise. Always use Gaussian noise with monochromatic. Okay, and then blur the noise. Okay, I think this blur is okay. And then copy again the original layer of the talent. Press Ctrl G. Put on top before black and white filter. And then use filter gallery, fit in view. I use chalk and charcoal. Arrange the setting until it looks okay. And then I use again filter gallery, fit in view, and I use graphic pen. Arrange the setting until the contrast is good, and then you can play around with the opacity to arrange the contrast of the pencil effect. Nice. Okay, if this video is helpful, please subscribe and leave comment below. Okay, thank you.